Melder Production's MSpectralDynamics is a powerful, state-of-the-art alternative to traditional multi-band dynamics processors. Its super deep edit mode gives access to a huge number of detailed parameters, enabling all kinds of engineering magic to be performed. When you don't need such extensive customization, however, get MSpectralDynamicsLE. This light version comprises exactly the same processing engine, core preset configurations and top-level controls as MSpectralDynamics, but at a much more affordable price point. MSpectralDynamicsLE is like many plugins in one. Each of its 8 descriptively named devices operates as a self-contained spectral dynamics processor in its own right. Working very differently to conventional compressors and gates, MSpectralDynamicsLE applies its processing dynamically to every individual frequency in the source signal. Let's take a quick tour to hear it in action. Flattening is a general betterizer. It attenuates those parts of the signal that are too prominent and brings up those that are getting buried, delivering a fuller, more powerful sound. It's equally effective on individual tracks and full mixes. The De-esser smartly targets only those frequencies that actually need processing for more natural sounding sibilance control.
Every time seems like it's been. Every time seems like it's been.
MSpectralDynamicsLE's Spectral Gating can be taken to extremes with the gate device, which serves up all sorts of interesting effects. Spectral ducking makes light work of dealing with those tricky frequency collisions that can muddy up a mix. Here, the ducking bass and drum device is attenuating only those frequencies in the bass line that collide with the side-chained kick drum every time it hits. The rest of the signal is left intact. And here's the ducking device unmasking a vocal and guitar mix.
Holding on a chance when we were free.
MSpectralDynamicsLE can do creative sound design too. Check out the Spectral Crusher for a dose of edgy inspiration. Take your dynamics shaping to new heights of accuracy and naturalness with MSpectralDynamicsLE. Get the fully functional 15-day trial version at melderproduction.com.